Apple Intelligence features you need to try right now. In this video, we'll go through the most useful Apple Intelligence features on iPhone, and I'll show you exactly where to find and how to use each one. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any future video. So the first one is ChatGPT Integration. You can now use ChatGPT directly inside Apple Intelligence to help you write, explain things, or generate ideas instantly using Siri and system tools. To make sure it's enabled, go to Settings, Apple Intelligence, and Siri, and check that ChatGPT integration is turned on. To use it, just activate Siri and say something like, "Ask ChatGPT," followed by your question or request. Next, we have writing tools. This lets you rewrite, summarize, or improve any text on your iPhone, and it also includes a compose feature powered by ChatGPT. To use it, highlight any text in apps like Notes, Mail, or Messages, then tap Writing Tools from the menu. From there, you can choose Rewrite, Proofread, Summarize, or try Compose using ChatGPT to generate new text from scratch based on what you ask.
Next is Summaries. This feature summarizes emails and notifications so you can quickly understand what matters. To turn it on, go to Settings, Notifications, and enable Notification Summaries. Now look at this. You can actually see how the iPhone groups multiple notifications together and gives you a short summary of everything at once. Instead of going through each notification one by one, it shows you the key points in a few lines. And it's not just notifications. You can also use summaries in Mail for long emails, and even in Safari for articles, where the iPhone can shorten long pages into a quick overview. This is really useful if you get a lot of information during the day and just want the important parts instantly.
Another one is Cleanup in Photos. This lets you remove unwanted objects from your pictures. Go to the Photos app, open a picture, tap Edit, and then select Cleanup. Then just brush over the object you want to remove.
Now we have Visual Intelligence. This lets your iPhone identify objects or give you information using your camera. Open the camera, point it at something, and use the Visual Intelligence or Lookup option, depending on your device. It will instantly show information about what you're looking at.
Next is Genmoji. This lets you create custom emojis just by describing them. Open your keyboard, go to Emojis, and tap Genmoji. Then type what you want, and it will generate a custom emoji for you.
And finally, Image Playground. This allows you to create images using text descriptions. Open the Image Playground app, type what you want to create, and choose a style, and Apple Intelligence will generate an image for you. You can add more things by typing or by choosing for existing presets. These are some of the Apple Intelligence features you should try right now on your iPhone. If you want more iPhone tips, follow for more.